Put a carrot in your peace lily. Your plants will bloom like never before. Fertilizing houseplants is key to their health and lush growth. Without the right nutrients, plants lose vitality, leaves turn yellow, and flowering becomes rare. Instead of chemical fertilizers, make a natural carrot-based plant food. It's an easy and affordable way to nourish your plants without harmful substances. Chop 1 carrot into small pieces. Carrots are rich in vitamins and minerals that support plant growth and health, containing phosphorus, potassium, and calcium. Place the chopped carrot into a blender and add a liter of water. Blend until smooth. Before watering your plants, strain the mixture through a sieve. Avoid using the pulp, as vegetable leftovers can attract unwanted insects. Use this liquid fertilizer every 15 days to water your peace lily or other houseplants. Soon, you'll notice greener leaves, stronger roots, and more frequent vibrant blooms. Embrace natural care methods and enjoy beautiful, healthy plants all year round. Even a single tablet can save any houseplant. Many people are unaware of how important supplements are for plants. You can find vitamins and minerals right in your home medicine cabinet. With their help, the results of your gardening efforts will be amazing. All it takes is a little time to learn how to use them for your plants. Asparagine contains magnesium and potassium. A deficiency in these elements can cause yellowing of the leaves. Plants become weak and fail to bloom. With potassium and magnesium tablets, your plants will revive and grow more lush. Simply make a small hole in the soil, insert the tablet, cover it up, and water the plant. Use this method every 2 to 3 weeks, and you'll see a difference. Glycine is an amino acid that's a fundamental component of plant tissues and chlorophyll. Glycine enhances the absorption of nutrients through the roots and increases chlorophyll concentration. As a result, plant leaves and flower buds grow much better. Just dissolve 1 tablet in a liter of water and water your plants with it. Aspirin strengthens plants against diseases and accelerates their growth. Salicylic acid, found in aspirin, naturally occurs in plants and boosts their immune systems, protecting them from pests. Once every 2 months, dissolve 1 tablet in 50 milliliters of water. Use it as a spray or watering solution. Calcium is a component of cell walls, influencing their permeability, activating enzymes, neutralizing organic acids, and supporting root growth and development. It also aids in nitrogen absorption and enhances resistance to pests. Crush a tablet and dissolve it in 500 milliliters of water. Water your plants with it once every 3 weeks. Tryptophan reduces stress, preventing growth and development stunting in plants. It's ideal for plants that have been repotted or moved to a new location. Dissolve 2 capsules in water and use it to water your plants. Iodine works wonders for plant growth and health. It's widely used to combat fungal diseases and bacteria. Few people know that no bacteria have ever developed resistance to iodine. When your plants are sick and you're not sure what's wrong, give them iodine. Dissolve 5 tablets in a liter of warm water, let it cool, and then water your plants with it.